Shari here, and as you know, I love to travel and I love to document our travels, because why in the world would we spend thousands of dollars seeing these amazing things and going to these amazing places if we can't cherish it and relive it? And photos definitely evoke that emotion. So today I'm going to show you our last trip that Mark and I took. Was to Bora Bora, and of course I've never been there before. It was awesome, and we took lots of fun pictures, and so I chose to use a 6x8 album. All my travels are in the 6x8 format from Close to My Heart, and I love this album. Their albums are very sturdy. They also have obviously the pocket pages that are included with their kits, and something different about Close to My Heart that I noticed that I really like is that there's inserts on their pockets actually go into the sides, which I really like, because on my other albums, if anything gets tipped upside down, then things just fall out. So this was a fun little project for me. I used 2 kits from Close to My Heart, and I'll link them in down below. But it was really fun. What I usually do when I travel is we take a bunch of pictures, obviously, and all I do is I print everything in a 4x6, a 3x4, and a 6x8. Now, I did these the wrong direction, but that's okay. I'll still use them. I'll cut them up. So I choose these 3 sizes, and I print them all, and then I get my album, and I get the cards and things that go along with it, and I put it all together. And it's really quick and easy. You just slide everything into the pockets, and there you go. You have your whole album already done. One reason why I love travel albums is because people will ask us, you know, years later, hey, where did you stay? Where did you eat? What was your great experience? And I always look back to these for my notes, because I put everything in here. This was a really fun kit to use with Close to My Heart. The 6x8s, these are all taken on my iPhone, and I did use Lightroom to edit with our Beachy Lightroom preset that's available in the Mega Pack, and so all of the pictures used the Beachy preset. But this was, look at how great that looks. That's a 4x6, hopefully you don't have a lot of glare, but that's using portrait mode on the iPhone, and it really just looks as great as a DSLR. Still need to fill out a few things, and then we get into the 6x8s. They're fun. And so when I'm on a trip, I also know in my mind to shoot for portrait and landscape, and the 6x8s will always be in the portrait direction. I also love using stickers and different types of elements over the photo. It really just kind of adds to the story. Like explore, is I put over that 4x6. Life is so good, me time, this is the best. I'm not great at journaling, as you can see, and so I love using those kind of stickers and different things to tell the story. And that's it. There is our Close to My Heart Bora Bora album, and it's all documented and ready to show everybody that comes over that wants to see our trip.